You have heard it like people say ki work smart, not hard. So guys, and welcome to day 19 of learning human behavioral tendencies with me. Okay, and today's chapter is use it or lose it tendency. Okay, name is pretty simple, and you might guess what's wrong. Look, skills, knowledge, and expertise. Everything. If you don't implement it daily, you're gonna lose that skill. Okay, if you don't practice maths, we used to do calculus and a lot of shit in school, and we didn't use it after coming. Some people did who are in the that domain, but we didn't. I didn't. So I lost it. Obviously, everyone does. Okay, so this tendency talks about this. Okay, let's get into like how it is important and how entrepreneurs and professionals should use it. Okay, for example, I'm an entrepreneur. If I stop learning and I just sit on the knowledge what I already have accumulated, my business will be stagnant. Okay, every stagnant thing dies. Okay, for example, a sales professional who stop like practicing their closing technique, they're gonna lose a lot of leads. They won't be able to convert leads. Okay, which is very important to CXO levels because the main objective is to sell to your customers and take your ruthless feedback into your systems, right? So this is there, and obviously market especially for you, because marketing is a ever-changing field, ever-changing domain. There are a lot of strategy discovering every seconds, every day. So yeah, if you don't learn how to implement new strategy and see new trends which are going viral, you're gonna fall behind your competitors. Okay, the power of daily practice, obviously top performance like athlete, musician, pilots, and they practice every day to retain that muscle memory. Muscle memory is always retained, but obviously you need to nurture it. You need to nurture it every day so it gets stronger and stronger and stronger, so that you can just close your eyes and shoot it. Okay, so how business can apply this rule? You can train your team regularly. If you're in sales script. If you're in negotiation, and you should practice negotiation tactics, strategies. And if you're in customer service, you should know how well you should serve your customers. For example, Apple, if you have called this customer care, the process is so smooth. I really love the experience of, like, you will love to wait on the call. Okay, they have made the process so strategically smooth and everything about that. Okay, you have heard it like people say ki work smart, not hard. Let me tell you. Okay, if you haven't put 1,000 hours into your work, you won't be able to work smart because you won't know strategies which can help you to create your work faster. Okay, there's that. There's that. So if I say what a takeaway for entrepreneurs and business professionals, if you don't use your skills perfectly, you're gonna lose them. Okay, not perfectly, daily. Okay, so obviously growth comes from daily practice, constant learning, and staying engaged. So yeah, that is for today. Share with your fellow entrepreneurs and business professionals, and I will see you soon in the next one. Yeah, take care. Bye.